Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm going to do a video for you today, sort of a St. Patrick's Day theme. I know we have like 1 or 2 more days left, so you can wear something like this if you are sitting at home for St. Patrick's Day, or you're going to go out for some corned beef and cabbage or beer, whatever. Just be safe, whatever you're doing. Now this is going to be done with the Violet Voss Olive You Forever palette, and this has some beautiful greens, some mauves, some golds, and there's a black color, and there's some nice like a dark brown matte. So I'm gonna play around with this and see what I come up with. Now before I started this, I had put on a base and some blush. I'm gonna add some more blush after I do my eye look. And I did a little bit with my eyes because I had run a few errands. And just to let you know how I did my base, I used 2 different colors of the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I used the light beige on the areas of my face that have darkness or redness. And yeah, you can see a little bit more here, but it doesn't bother me. I'm not really going for full coverage. I will do a full coverage video here, probably do more than one, but just right now this is what I'm into. And then for the darkness under my eyes, I used the medium peach. I like to put like a peachy tone under my eyes. It camouflages the darkness that I have. And before I did that, I should have mentioned this. This is the NYX Marshmallow Primer. I've been testing this out and I really like it. It comes in like a little pump and it squeezes out, whatever, like a foam here. I'll show you a little bit. It's like that. It feels kind of marshmallowy. Doesn't smell like marshmallows. There's a very, very slight hint of vanilla. And what I'm doing here is because I don't want to waste it, I'm just putting right on top of my makeup. That's okay, I'm just tapping it, give it a little bit more moisture. And I did set it earlier with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless, I can't not say that word, Airbrush Flawless Finish in the color 2 or medium. So let's get started on an eye look. I'm going to put a base on. This is primer, the Milani eyeshadow primer. I like this product a lot, and I think it's like under $6. So when you find a product that you like that's at an affordable price, go for it, right? I'm not a person that just uses high end. I think I've spoke about that before. I use the products that I like. Just gonna put it on my little sponge there. No matter if they're high-end or if they are drugstore or mid-brand, as long as I like them, I'll use them. All right, we're gonna start off doing it a little different than I usually do. I want to go in with this shimmery olive glow. I should show it like that. And I'm going to pick it up with this flat shader brush. Just tap it into there. Tap that off, and there is a mirror on this palette, so I'm going to use that. And I'm putting this right on my movable lid. And at first, if you're not used to it, it's going to be like, wow, that's a lot. But we're going to take care of it. Because remember my rule in makeup, there are no rules. You do what you feel you like. And if you don't like it, there is always makeup remover. And I think I've been saying that on all my videos. That lays down a beautiful emerald green. And a lot of times with these darker, vibrant colors, you really have to like work at it to get that pigmentation. But if you can see that, I hope that that's close enough. It's really, really pretty. I'm just going to tap it down a little bit more. And I'm just putting it on my movable lid, which is the part of the lid that moves. Makes sense, right? And then I have one of these color switches. I'll try to find one online and link it down below. I pick mine up like at TJ Maxx. They have them all the time. It's a coarse sponge, and you just clean it off so that you can put another color on without, you know, cleaning it with, you know, soap or a brush cleaner. So I've done that. Now I'm gonna put some color in my crease. And I'm gonna go with a lighter color at first because there's a lot of green there. And I'm gonna go with this color Wink. And it's like a pinky mauve nude. And I'm going right in the crease, right above that green. And I'm just blending it, and blending it, and blending it. And that gives it a little bit of dimension. You see like the green here, and then this color pushes this area back, which is what I want. Now I'm going to put this color Wishful, and I'm going to do that in the crease, but just on the outer edge. I tend to tilt my head when I'm putting on eye makeup. Whether that's good or bad, I don't know, but I've been doing it forever. So that adds a little bit more of a dimension. Now if I wanted, or if you wanted, you could go back in with like a dark chocolate color. That's like a, well, it's called Endless Desire, and it's like a reddish brown. So what I'm going to try is I'm going to take this very small crease brush. Just forgot the word. I'm going to clean that brush off like this. These are really great. And then when they start getting like dirty like that, you just wash it with soap and water. All right, I'm going to pick up this Endless Desire, which is like a reddy brown. I always feel awkward when I'm holding up the palette. And I'm going to go right above the green, right that, like that. But I'm not going to go and blend it into the other colors. I mean, it's going to be part of it, but I just want to push this area back where I'm setting my brush, or putting my brush. And then it gives it even more of a dimensional look. And you can go in like as much as you want. I just did 2 times because these Violet Voss, sorry, these Violet Voss colors are very pigmented, which sometimes can be hard to work with, so they just need practice. There. Now, I'm going to put a little bit of highlight up here by the brow bone, but I don't want anything shimmer because I have shimmer on the movable lid. So I can't find a color in here that I really would like. There's the Lovebird, but that's sort of, see how that has a shimmer, and that's not what I'm looking for. So I'm going to go into another palette. I think this Salted Caramel will have a good color, and it does. Right here, it's like a vanilla color. And I'm going to take a different brush. I need to clean my brushes. I'm going to go in there, tap it off, and just go right over the brow bone. And please excuse my eyebrows, they're kind of overgrown. I'm trying to grow them out a little bit, to reshape them a little bit. And I don't know why my voice has to start getting raspy when I'm recording. Like that. Now, because I am going for kind of a festive look, I do want to put a little bit of a highlighter in the inner corner. This is a great brush to use. It's something like this. It's, I don't know the brand. Oh, it's called Lavish, and it's a pencil brush. So just look for something like that because it's very small. And I'm going to go in with this lighter, no, I think I'll go in with this lighter gold shimmery color. And I'm just gonna go like that. And then I like to just go right in that corner. Oh, that was a little darker than I thought it would be. Like that. And then I take my finger and I just kind of press it and blend. I don't usually do that, but I think for this look, it'll be nice. And see, we have some fallout here. I'm just gonna take this sponge that's wet already and just kind of brush it off. And if I taken off too much makeup, I'll just put some more, but I think it's fine. Okay, now I'm gonna curl my lashes, and I did put some mascara on earlier today. I'm looking at the time because I'm trying not to record too long. I get to blab and I forget. Where is my mascara? Oh, here it is, right on the vanity. Okay, so I did put like a coat of mascara earlier. I need a little mirror. And don't be afraid to use a look like this anytime. You're going out to dinner and you want to just jazz up your eyes. Put some green. Try it. It might be foreign to you, but once you start playing with different colors, I think for especially us women of a certain age, we're afraid to play with colors, but once you start playing with the colors, I guarantee that you're gonna like it. And if you I forget the word. What is my word? If you partner it with like a basic or neutral, like the brown and the beige and the vanilla color, it makes it look even better. Now I'm going to put a little bit of blush because I feel a little pale. And I picked up a new blush from ColourPop recently. And that is the Juice Bar collection. And this is in the color 20L1. It doesn't have like a name for it, but it's sort of like a plummy pink. You can see better that way. And I have some bronzer on already from earlier, so I'm not going to put any more. And this is really nicely pigmented. I like it a lot. Then I need some lip color. Now, I don't want anything that's too bold because it's going to not clash, but I'm focusing on my eyes. And I wasn't always that way. I would put bold eye, bold lip, bold, and it's too much for me at the moment. So I have a Blushing Berry by L'Oreal. And I think that will go good with the blush too. Yeah. I can tell right away that I like it. Yeah, that I love the way this looks. And that took me like 13 minutes. I hope that you are having a great day and try some color. Let me know. And I will be back soon. I have a boxing for a boxing charm, which I'm probably going to record after this. Take care of yourselves. And I hope I didn't rush through this, but I will put links down below. Bye-bye.